In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock an email address in Outlook on the web. If messages from someone you trust are getting filtered out, here is a good chance their address or domain ended up on your blocked list. I'll walk you through how to remove it so their emails can reach your inbox again. Start by signing in to Outlook on the web in your browser. Once you are in your mailbox view, look toward the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. A quick settings panel will slide out. If you don't immediately see the option you need, scroll to the bottom of that panel and choose View All Outlook Settings. This opens the full settings window, which gives you access to everything in one place. In the settings window, select Mail from the left side. Then choose Junk Email. This section controls how Outlook handles unwanted messages. It includes lists that automatically block senders or entire domains, which is useful for spam, but it can occasionally catch legitimate senders by mistake. Under the Blocked Senders and Domains section, look for the address or domain you want to unblock. If the blocked item is a full email address, only that specific sender is affected. If it's a domain, anything from that domain will be blocked. So removing it can restore messages from multiple people at once. If your list is long, take your time and scan carefully so you remove the correct entry. When you find the one you want to allow again, click the trash icon next to it. This deletes the entry from your blocked list, which tells Outlook to stop automatically flagging that sender as junk. Keep in mind that removing someone from the blocked list doesn't automatically mark them as safe. It simply stops the automatic block. Outlook will now treat their future messages normally, subject to your other filters. Before you close the window, be sure to save your changes. Look to the bottom of the settings window and click Save. If you skip this step, the block will remain and the sender's emails may continue to be filtered out. That's all you need to do. From here, keep an eye on your inbox for the next message from that sender. If you are expecting something important, you can let them know to resend it. Also, always double-check that you recognize the sender before unblocking and be cautious with unfamiliar domains to avoid phishing or spam. Thanks for watching.